Pink ginger. So this is Olivia, and she came up with her brown hair, with her bright glasses and purple top with a pink skirt, and her blue slippers. Okay guys, this is my car. There's no roof because the roof's right here. Because I'm gonna show you the inside of the car, but the outside first. Got the tires with hearts on it, and then the lights with flower. And then over here we have, oh, it's the side view mirror. That's what they are. The windshield thingy above, and then in the inside, there's a steering wheel, and you can play music, and you can turn it like that. Isn't that cute? And this is the back. So, Olivia can sit in the car. Let's put her hands up. So then we can stick her on the car. She can drive, and we can put the roof and then just gonna put the car over there. Time to open bag number 2. Yay. Time to do bag number 2. To show you the other character. So, the other character is Mia. She wears green shorts with an orange top. Let's put her head on. Mia, she's bald. Let me put her hair on. She is a redhead. Or orange. I think red. And in this playset, she's holding a croissant. She is also holding a cell phone. So she's gonna hold that right now. That's Mia. I'm gonna show you this dog. There's the doggy, I don't know its name, but it's a dog. Okay? And for the doggy, we have a bone. Oh, that's so cute. To show you the magical thingy I built. Ta-da! show the doggy actually. Well, look at the doggy first. The doggy goes right there. The bone goes right here. It's amazing, it's amazing. Mia will sit on the chair. But before she sits on the chair, let's talk about it. So, I already showed you that part. This is a car sticker. And then there's flower. And the bench can go all the way down. So Mia, you see, Mia's like just chilling. She could bend all the way down. Isn't that amazing? She's on her cell phone eating her croissant with her dog. I think it's her dog. And then we have this. You remove that plug and you plug it to your car. I don't know where you plug it, but you can plug it to your car. You can build your own system where you can plug it into your car. Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to fix this. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay, Mia, would you mind moving for a second? So there's this. Actually, Mia, you can just go back into your chair. There. Mom told me it's a solar panel. Oh, it can spin. That's cool. Then we got some flowers here. A really cool part is this. Isn't that cool? We built the charging station. We built the car. But I wonder, how do you plug it? How do you charge it? How though? How? Anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and bye-bye. See you next time.
Pink Ginger.